In second class children, activity book, page number 20. What is that? Page number 20. Look children, review. I already explained numbers. Okay, I have explained already numbers, no? So, in previous class. Okay, now we are going to about the numbers. Same. Place the missing numbers from 901 to 1000. What is that? 901 to 1000. Okay, Nana? All of you take your pencil and take your workbook here. Look. 1000. Okay children? So next, which is the smallest 4-digit number and age of the video? 1000. Okay now? Say sir no? You have to write same. Come down. Count number and then write in words. What is that? Count number and then ఏమడుగుతున్నానన్న నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి. you have to count how many bikes are there, how many scooties. Okay, not bikes, scooties. ఎన్ని స్కూటీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? you have to count in your book. Work to page number 20. How many bikes? 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns. So each one row, so 5 bikes, 5 scooties are there. So 5 into 4, 5 fours are, 5 fours are, say sir no, 5 fours are 20. So how many scooties are there? There are 20 scooties. You have to write 20 spelling of number. Okay, you have to write 20 spelling of number. Write nana 20. 20. TWENTY. 20. Okay children? Right? TWENTY. 20. Okay? Come next. How many balls are there? How to count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many balls are there? 7 balls. So ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 7 into 5. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. You have to write spelling of number in 35. Okay? Thirty. 35. Okay children? Come next page and page number 21. See here. Page number 21. Okay children? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. What is that? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. I already told you nano ascending order. What is that? In previous classes also I told you. So what is the meaning by ascending order? So ascending order means small number to big number. Okay children? Small number to big number అని చెప్పాను కదా మీకు first class లో. So what is ascending order? Small number to big number. Now you have to write ascending order. Okay? Numbers in ascending order. Okay children? What are the numbers? 58, 67, 39, 42, 26. So 58, 67, 39, 42, 26. Okay children? Say yes or no? We have to write in ascending order. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన నంబర్ 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. Okay children? Okay now? 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. So in these numbers, which is the smallest one? Which is the smallest one? So the 11 is smallest one. Then after 22, have to write. Next one 33. Next one 44. Next one 66. Okay children? Say yes or no? And the last one 99, 98, 65, 98, 65, 38, 74, 49. Okay children? Ascending order means what? Small number to big number. Okay Nana? So first one, which number is the smallest one? So 38. How to write 38? Next 49. How to write? Next 65. How to write? Next 74. And last one 98. Okay children? Write down. Okay? Come next. Come down Nana. Arrange the numbers in descending order. What is that? Descending order. So ascending order means small number to big number. So descending order, big number to small number. Okay children? Big descending order. Big number to small number. First you have to write biggest number 93. Next one 86. Next one 68. Next 39. Next 60. Okay children, write neatly. Okay na? Arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. I already explained in previous class also ascending order and descending order. So now today also I told you nana. Okay? ఏంటిది ascending order అంటే ఏంటిది? Small number to big number. Ascending order. So big number to small number descending order. మనం అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన నంబర్స్ ని చిన్న నంబర్ నుంచి పెద్ద నంబర్ వరకు లాస్ట్ నంబర్ వరకు రాయడాన్ని అసైనింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటారు. సో అదే రివర్స్. ఓకే, రివర్స్ లో రాయడాన్ని డిసైడింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్, రైట్ నీట్లీ. Come down. Solve the following additions. Solve the following additions. You know all additions. Okay. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. What is the answer? 13. Very good. 7 plus 4. What is that? 11. 1 plus 9. What is that? 10. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7. As it is, write 2. 36 plus 2. 6 plus 2 8. Number 3. Okay children, write that one. Come down, complete the following multiplications. You know tables nana? 2 table already you know. So 1 table. So ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 3 9s are 27. 6 3s are 18. 5 2s are 10. 7 1s are 7. 9 5s are 45. 1 9 1 8s are 8. 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. So 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s 25. 6 6 are 36. So you have to write here tables nana. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నవి మీరు రాసేసేయండి tables. ఓకేనా? Come next page. As it is same nana. ఇక్కడ ఏముండేది చూడండి. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? Two fours are 8. 3 9s are 27. 6 3s are 18. 5 2s are 10. 7 1s are 7. 9 5s are 45. 1 8s are 8. 8 6 are 48. Okay children, right? 2 2s. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Okay children, jar. Okay, you have to say 1 nines are, 2 nines are, 3 threes are, 5 fours are. Okay, have to say are. Okay, children. So 2 eights are, 2 eights are 16. Next one, 3 sevens are 21. 4 6 are 24. 5 fours are 20. 6 twos are 12. 7 threes are 21. So look here, 3 sevens are 21 and 7 threes are 21. Okay, children? 8 nines are 72. Okay, children? Write neatly. How to write? Learn and write. Say and write. Okay? 2 fours are 8. 3 nines are 27. 6 threes are 18. 5 twos are 10. And next 7 ones are 7. 9 fives are 45. 1 eights are 8. 8 6 are 48. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. And then 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. Next 9 nines are 81. 1 nines are 9. 2 eights are 16. 3 sevens are 21. 4 6 are 24. 5 fours are 20. 6 twos are 12. 3 sevens are 21. 8 nines are 72. Right? Okay, children, come next page, page number 22. Comparison of numbers. What is that? Comparison of numbers. I already explained in workbook. Okay, so open your activity book, page number 22. See here. Look your book, page number 22. How many cats are there? Have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, in left side have 17 cats are there. So, in right side also how many cats are there? We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 17. 17, 14. So, which is the greatest number in 17 and 14? So, 17 is the greatest number. We have to 11. So you have to write, put the symbol. Okay children.